Lexus LX 570 Wald Sport is a modified version. Lexus LX 570 Luxury SUV by Japanese tuning company Wald International. It comes with aggressive body kit, modified front bumper, side skirts, rear bumper, and spoiler. It also has larger Wald kit wheels and tires, and a sport-tuned suspension. The cost of the Wald Sport package varies depending on the version. However, it typically costs between $5,000 to $10,000. Lexus LX 570 has a trunk space of 453 liters. 5.7L V8 engine that produces 383 horsepower and 403 pounds-ft of torque. 20-inch alloy wheel size of tire and rims to 175/50ths R20. Lexus LX 570 Wald Sport interior is luxurious and spacious, with seating for up to 8 passengers. The standard features include leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, power adjustable front seats with memory settings, Lexus LX 570 has an 8.0-inch instrument cluster that displays information such as the speedometer, tachometer, fuel level, and other driving information. Lexus LX 570 has a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. LX 570 has a dual-zone automatic climate control system. The Mark Levinson sound system is excellent, with clear and powerful sound quality. Its other features: head-up display, surround view camera system, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking,